For over 20 years, control rooms have depended on ICSs, Integrated Communications Control Systems. From handling 999 emergency calls to managing communications with the front line, the ICS is a critical control room IT system. ICSs have traditionally been complex, bespoke, and expensive systems. The old way of doing things involved installing the ICS hardware in an IT equipment room. You had to cover the costs of overheads such as security, power, space, cooling, as well as the hardware upfront costs. And then you had to pay for software licenses and, of course, yearly maintenance fees. Then you had to make sure that you had enough capacity in your ICS to cover peak demand, such as during major incidents. It meant that during business as usual, all that additional capacity you bought in the form of IT hardware and software licenses was not being used, which was great for the ICS supplier, but not so for your finances. Keeping the system up to date was no easy task. Upgrades in general were very disruptive, causing hours of downtime and often requiring you to use fallback systems such as telephones and desk-mounted radios. And now all control rooms will need to be upgraded to access the new 4G emergency services network. To stay one step ahead, your control room needs to transform. What if you could operate more flexibly and do more with less? Wave Control Room Solution is at the heart of the transformation. Using the power of cloud computing, it offers a much more flexible and cost-effective way to implement your ICS. Capacity on demand. Instead of managing ICS hardware on your premises, your ICS is run from ISO 27001 certified data centers, which you can securely access from any location. It's a zero-footprint deployment that allows you to pay for what you use, just like your utility bill. Instead of fixed capacity with underutilized resources, capacity is flexible. You can scale up or down to match capacity with demand. Increase your flexibility. With a traditional ICS, you can only connect to the radio network from fixed control room locations. The Wave Control Room solution offers much greater flexibility and strengthens disaster recovery by allowing operators to connect from any location using any web-enabled device. Reduce upgrade complexity. The Wave Control Room solution is subscription-based and provides immediate access to new software releases at zero incremental cost. By utilizing the cloud, you can say goodbye to risks associated with on-premises ICS, making your upgrades safer and eliminating single points of failure with mission-critical resilience. This service can extend to other applications, so you can choose to include voice recording or telephony hosting options. This new way of unchaining the control room will allow you to evolve and adapt in line with any situation, allowing for safer, faster responses to any challenges the future will hold. Begin your transformation today with Wave Control Room Solution from Motorola Solutions.